G'day punters. The new Meta Oakley Vanguards. Very excited to get these. I've got a little unboxing video and a quick ride and initial impressions to let you know what I think of these things. I'm pretty impressed, but leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. Okay. Pieces. Obviously the app. Much it. Charging port there. Looks my heck good. So here we go, the new Vanguards. Very impressive piece of kit. Not too big on a big head. Give them a crack, eh? Well, I can say with the rose-coloured glasses, they do have a slight colour cast to them. It's a slightly red tinge, but the good thing is it pumps up the shadows. It's good in the daylight, good polarisation in terms of the sky. I like it's a good balance between not too dark and not too light. If you're going to have a, where you're riding in the shadows and the bright sunlight, so I think this is a good compromise. I really like the look of them, they're great. As for the case, I see the little USB charging port down there. It's quite slender in the hand. It's good. We've got the Metas going on the helmet. Looks alright, I reckon. We'll scoot down the street, give them a test, shall we? Up a famous Mount Ainslie walking track. I'm just at the base of the mountain at the moment, so let's ride all the way up and bomb back down. See how they go. Keep on an e-bike because I'm not that fit. Just keep punting on, eh? We're reaching the summit now of Mount Ainslie. Nice little single track. 1080p and what it calls 3K. So when we get back, we'll pull this apart and have a good look at it and do some pixel peeping. This will be an interesting factor too, although I'm not going particularly fast at this point. We'll find out when we bomb back down. So good, pedaling up the track. I'm loving these so far. There's nothing negative to say about it. Speakers work terrific. The music's great. You pretty much use Hey Meta for most of it. It was trying to be too helpful there. I just had to pause the video. But yeah, I'm really liking these glasses. The audio quality is excellent. You can answer your phone calls, you can talk to people, and it's really good. Just like having a set of AirPods or similar, except they're built in your glasses. You don't need them. Loving it. Let's keep going. Little minor gripe that I've just found. is that when you link the phone to Apple Music, when I say the phone, the Sunnies, it relies on an Apple Music subscription when you say play music. So in other words, it won't play the music. You have to start the music on your phone or your watch or otherwise. It'll play through the sunglasses. Because I've only got songs on Apple Music, I don't have a subscription. So that's a bit poor. Anyway. Alright. There's the summit. It's not a clear day. No shortage of people. Now we're into it. Down's way more fun than going up. Yeah, baby! Yeehaw! The old forearms start to work with that stuff. That bumpy. And now we get to record without the camera, just the sunnies. There's no bulk or weight on your helmet, no chest to muck around with. Never a fan of those. So yeah, this is so far so good. Hope the quality works out. Now getting a bit of wind noise here with the speed. Be interesting to see how that translates on video. All in all, I don't think I've got anything negative to say about these. I think they're fantastic. I'm really quite enamoured with them. Price point aside, I'm loving it. As for whether you can get one, or should get one, that's your call really. It just comes down to dollars, I guess. Rock on. Thanks for watching.